Hello guys, today's LEET-CODE problem is find players with 0 or 1 losses. So given questions, you are given an integer array matches. Okay, you are given with matches where match I represents winner I, comma loser I. Basically, it's a 2D matrix, and okay, one player is represented with is winning, and its ith match is represented as a winner opponent and a loser opponent. Indicates a winner I and loser I indicates that the player winner I defeated player loser I in a match. Okay. Return a list answer of size 2. Okay. You have to return an answer of size list, two size list, where answer 0 is list of all players that have not lost any matches. Okay. The count of lost matches are equal to 0 in this case. Okay. And answer 1 is a list of all players that have lost only one match. Okay. Okay. For example, for example, uh, okay, we should only consider the players that have played at least one match. Okay. The test case will be generated such that no two matches will have the same outcome. Okay. So, for example, here, let us consider this example. So, here there is a match of 0 where one player has won the match and three player has lose the match. So what will be the count of, we will track the count of losses here. Okay. Okay, what will be the count of, it will be count, yes. And okay, the third player has won the first player has won the match and third player has lost the match, right? So we will be increasing our count mapping of equal to 1. Okay. Now here in the second, in the first index match, the second match, the second player has won the match. So the second player has won the match and the third player has lost the match. Yes. So we will increase this count. Okay. So in third match, third player has won the match. Third player has won the match and the sixth player has lost the match. Right. So here we will be writing this thing. Okay. And in this thing, uh, fifth player has won the match and the sixth player has lost the match. Okay, so this count will be 2. Okay, and coming to this match, fifth player has won the match and the seventh player has lost the match. Okay, and coming to this, fifth player has lost the match, so we will increase this thing, and the fourth player has won the match, right? And 4 comma 8, 4 comma 8, 4 player won the match and 8 player lost the match, right? And 4 comma 9, ninth player has lost the match here. And coming to the 10 comma 4, 10th player has won the match and the fourth player has lost the match, right? And 10 comma 9, also we have to include 10 also, right? And the ninth player has also lost the match. Okay, now question is, you have to return a list of answers where answer 0 is a list of players that have not lost any match. Okay, the lost count should be equal to 0. Okay, and answer 1 is the list of all players that have lost only exactly one match. So the last count should be equal to 1. Okay. So last count equal to 0 and last count equal to 1. Okay. So last count equal to 0 is 1. One count is equal to 0, right? And 3 count is equal to 2. We should not include any of the array. And 2 count is equal to 0. Okay. We will do this thing. 6. 6 has lost 2 matches. So we should not include them in any of them, right? 5 has won 5 has lost 1 match, right? So we need to include in the last count 1. 7 has also won 7 has also lost 1 match, right? We need to increase. So 4 has also lost the lost 1 match, and 8 has also lost 1 match, right? So we need to include it. 9 we should not we cannot include, right? 10 has lost 0 matches, right? So we need to include here. So if we compare the output here, 1 to 10, is 1 to 10 matching? Yes, 1 to 10 matching, right? And 4 5 7 8, 4 4 5 7 8, yes, it is matching. And at last there is a note, right? You should only consider the players that have lost at least 1 match. Okay, the test cases will be generated such that no 2 matches will have the same outcome. Okay, and the values in two lists should be returned in increasing order, right? So we need to sort the list. Okay, so as this list is already sorted, this will become 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8. Okay, in this way we need to solve the answer here. Okay, let us code this thing. Okay, so as you know that we need a list of list string. Okay, answer new array list. Okay, and we need to initialize the answer 0 and answer 1, right? So answer dot add new array list. Okay, and answer dot add new array list, right? So for making this mapping, I will use a hash map here. Okay, so I will initialize my hash map here. Integer comma integer hash map. Okay, now I will iterate over matches here. Okay, for int belong to m matches. Okay, int win equal to match of 0 and win lost equal to match of 1. Okay, so if win is present, then we need to, at win case we need to not we need to not update anything, right? This is the lost match count, right? So hash dot put w hash dot get or default w comma. So one thing we can do here, if hash dot contains key w, if it contains key w, then we need to uh, not do anything, right? So if it does not contains, then we need to hash dot put w comma 0, right? We need to do this thing. And the same for L also. If hash dot contains key L, okay, if it does not contains, then we need to hash dot put w comma 1 here, right? Because it has lost match, so we need to increase our lost counter to 1. If it present, then we need to put hash dot put L comma hash dot get L plus 1, right? That's it, right? Now we need to iterate over this thing. Okay, int le belong to hash dot key set. Okay, if hash dot get le equal to 0, then we need to add it in the answer 0, right? So answer 0 dot add dot get 0 dot add le. Else if hash dot get le equal to 1, then answer dot get 1 dot add le. We need to sort this, right? So collections dot sort answer dot get 0 and collections dot sort answer dot get 1. At last we need to return answer here. So when we run this, okay, I think we are doing something wrong here. Fast not contains key, not contains key, we need to put here. If it contains, uh, we need to ignore here. Okay, if hash dot contains key does not contains key, then we need to put 1 here. If it contains, then we need to do this thing. Hmm, what is the output here? So this is the solution here. And coming to the time complexity of this problem is, as we are iterating over matches here, and I think here only two matters, right? So 2 into matches dot length is the time complexity here. So it will be big of n only, right? So coming to TC, it will be big of matches dot length, and space complexity will be mm, space will be uh, yeah, it will be also big of 2 into matches dot length. So let us take this space time complexity as 2 into matches dot length only. It will be perfect with space complexity also. So these are the time complexities here, and this is the solution for this problem. And thank you.